Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Theta. On a weekly time frame chart, Theta has broken out a very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that for the past several months or even years, it was breaking as a very strong and long-term resistance. And recently, the price line has broken it out. And after the breakout, the price line has retested the previous resistance of the cloud as a support and geared up. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout from this big down channel as well. You can see that for the past several months, it was moving inside this channel, also formed this falling wedge pattern as well. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, price line has finally broken out the resistance of this wedge and the resistance of the channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Theta that I shared on 8th of December 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that Theta formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell targets on. And this was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell targets on here. And then we had a bigger pump, and this was almost 40% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description. You can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Theta. And this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several months or years, it was moving inside this quite long term down channel. And while moving inside this channel, you can see that we also broke down this very nice and long term support of Ichimoku bullish cloud. And after this breakdown, you can see it was flipped into a bearish cloud and a very strong resistance as well. And you can see that for the past several months, it was breaking as a resistance. And after breaking out this long term down channel, and a falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, we found the support of the wedge here in the month of June 2022. And since then, the price line was not testing the support of the channel. It was moving between the resistance and support of this falling wedge pattern. The resistance of the falling wedge pattern was the same, which is also breaking the resistance of the channel as well. And finally, after getting squeezed and testing this quite long-term support of 58 cents, the price line has broken out the resistance of this channel and this falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout imminently, it has also broken out this quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And you can see that after the breakout, the price line has successfully retested the previous resistance of the cloud as a support. And now it is geared up. And now there is a very high probability that for a long term, this cloud will work as a very nice support. You can see that it is flipped into a bullish cloud again here. And the bullish cloud works as a very strong support for the long term, especially on this 7 days time frame chart. Now, if we take a look at the target, the technical target for this huge breakout from this big and long term down channel, that target is here at the top of the channel. That is between $16 to $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.